Hey guys, just want to show you how I solder the ring terminals on 4-gauge wire. As you can see, I already stripped the wire. I put the ring terminal on. This goop that you see on there, it's actually flux. It helps clean the wire, and it also makes the solder adhere to the metal so it could get a good solid connection. Other than that, I'm using lead-free solder. It's a silver solder, and I got my little torch here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up the ring terminal, and I'm going to put the solder on there, and you're going to see it's going to suck it in, and hopefully get a good connection or a good soldering job on this one. You'll see it suck it in. There it goes. Saw that? Just sucks it right in. It takes some practice to do it, to get a good soldering job on it. And there it is. Nice soldered connection. It's really hot, so don't touch it. Let it cool off, and then you can use it for whatever you like. See ya!